Good morning, all of you. I am Krupa Shankar from Computer Science stream, graduated from PhD College of Technology. First of all, I would like to thank to my parents for their complete faith in me. Besides, Gate Forum plays a very important role in my success. Gate Forum's way of approach on concepts, fundamentals, and numerical type problems is commendable. As a working professional, it's not possible for me to attend the classroom training programs which is conducted in the Gate Forum institutions. So I approached Gate Forum Coimbatore and I stated the basic requirements only to the Sarvansa. The Gate Forum Coimbatore team guided me to take E-Gate live class session. Yes, I am an E-Gate student of Gate Forum Coimbatore. E-Gate has an immense future as it's the lively classes conducted in the Gate Forum Hyderabad studio. The only thing is you can access those lively classes with the help of your PC. The minimum requirement which is needed is only the internet connection. You might have the doubts whether your doubts will be answered or not by the respective faculty. I am damn sure that if your question is valid, then the respective faculty will be answering your doubts in the chat window. The beauty of the E-Gate is in the classroom sessions, so we may be missed out many of the classes. So we are the loser of the concepts. The thing is actually overcome in the E-Gate sessions. You can also watch the videos with the help of the video on demand. The second thing I would like to point out is Gate Forum study material. Gate Forum study material is meticulously designed to meet all the requirements of the GATE under the competitive exams. The beauty of the Gate Forum study material is that it comprises of 3 levels of the questions. Level 1, Level 2 and Level 3 set of the questions. Level 1 consisting of easy questions, Level 2 consisting of average set of questions and Level 3 consisting of difficult set of questions. I am damn sure that if you practice all these levels of the questions in the study material, you will be getting good score. The third thing I would like to point out is Gate Forum All India Target Test Series. Yes, more than 1 lakh aspirants are writing this test series. You can easily analyze your performance with others, especially the GATE toppers. The beauty of the Gate Forum All India Target Test Series is you can easily analyze your performance. I mean that what are your strengthened areas and what are your weakened areas. So prior to the GATE, you are facing 17 full-length tests. Out of these 17, 12 is called as self-administered test and 5 is called as a monitored test. Self-administered test is the test you just write in your home itself. But monitored test, you just come to the center and writing the exam. Actually, this monitored test is utmost similar to that of the GATE environment. I advise you people to join Gate Forum All India Target Test Series seriously. It will be useful, it will be helpful and as well as fruitful. The next point I would like to talk about the numerical type problems. The new challenge in the GATE 2014 we have faced these numerical type problems. I mean it consisting of fill in the blanks type of the questions. We have to write the solutions, I mean the numbers in the virtual keyboard. So with the high occurrences of the numerical type problems, it's a time consumption process. This is the challenge which we have faced in the GATE 2014. But these challenges also you people can easily be faced whenever you are practicing a lot of the GATE target test series. Last but not the least, systematic approach, proper training and time management skills are the key factors to secure good score in GATE. Thank you so much for giving such opportunity to deliver such a speech in front of you. I am wishing you all the best. Thank you once again.